What is Qi Gong? Qi Gong was developed in China thousands of years ago as part of a traditional Chinese medicine. It involves using exercises to optimize energy within the body, mind, and spirit, with the goal of improving and maintaining health and well-being. Studies have found that Qi Gong could reduce symptoms of depression. In this study, those who practiced Qi Gong also experienced less anxiety and better moods as compared to those who didn't. Qi Gong was also shown to have positive effects on bone and cardiovascular health and improve balance. It has also been proven to help with all menopause symptoms. Imagine a way to heal your inner body naturally, a way to heal deep-rooted issues. Imagine being able to build your life force and find inner peace. What if you could improve your blood circulation, clear disruptive energies, and improve your digestive system? What if you could improve yourself, increase your longevity, have a natural way to solve menopause and even your eyesight? Well, now you can. Master Teresa Young has been a teacher of Qi Gong, which is a part of traditional Chinese medicine. She is a 3-time international best-selling author, trainer, and practitioner. She has been featured in news, television, and internet around the world, and now she is here to help you tap into the power of Qi Gong. For more information, log on to www.purelandqigong.com.
So if you like what I do, check my link, and I look forward to see you in other things we do. Check out the link below.